Hello and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to introduction to Google Ads for e-commerce business. First of all, e-commerce business have only one main goals is a sales. So Google Ads help us to get a sales. So benefit of Google Ads for e-commerce also increase visibility, targeted reach, scalable, flexible, diverse of ad. But main goal is sales, so we can generate sales. So if you want to get a sales for your e-commerce business, then Google Ads is the best for you. People will searches, suppose people will searches best hoodie, and they will best hoodie in then they will show ad, but here you can see no ad, best hoodie in USA. Then here you can see this is also ad, just people will search and go this ad. After going this ad, they will purchase this hoodie, and they will purchase the hoodie. Okay, so in this way we can generate sales. Google Ads help us to get e-commerce business sales. So hopefully you understand how e-commerce sales is generated by using Google Ads. In the next video I will implement the conversion tracking.